In today's world, both men and women are tirelessly wants to lose the extra weight from their body. People want to have a flat stomach and a small waist without any cost. That's why I will show you an incredible tea that anyone can consume and lose weight 5 kilos in only 1 week. You can surely lose your extra weight with this amazing turmeric-based remedy. Don't worry. Turmeric tea comes from the root, which can be used as it or grounded to make a powder. Generally, Indians use the turmeric powder in almost all the traditional dishes as they believe it brings taste and color to the food. Surprisingly, it also comes along with several health benefits such as weight loss. Let us see how to use turmeric tea to lose weight naturally. This turmeric tea is very effective because it's very thermogenic. It helps to achieve in the process of accelerating the metabolism and burns fat. Also, to get healthy and quick lose of weight, this tea offers you a great deal of other benefits. It helps to prevent and treat problems of colitis and intestinal inflammation. Let's see which ingredients we need to use for making this tea. Ingredients: 32 ounces of 4 cups of water, juice of 1 lemon, 6 tsp of turmeric powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 1/2 of ginger powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder. For the preparation, we recommend you to use a pot to keep water. Then put the water to boil like how we boil water for making tea. When it is boiling, to put all the ingredients and boil for another few minutes. Then turn this off from the stove and let it stand for a few minutes. Now take this drink on an empty stomach in the morning. For best results, as 1 cup at bedtime. Have breakfast after 30 to 40 minutes of this tea. You can continue this drink even after 5 days, but as in every remedy, it is advisable to take a break all of 2 or 3 days. We recommend you not to sweeten the tea with honey or sugar. You can use stevia, which is ideal for using the natural way. Without extra calories, you can consume this tea daily until you achieve your ideal weight. I hope you will start to see the result after just 3 or 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more important videos. Have a nice time.